This is a demonstration video for the car seat tray. So here's the front, and here's the back. Oop. The back when it's all done up. Here's a little pocket for last minute things. Here's the front pocket for travel binder, and it's got a button closure. Okay, and then this is the strap that is detachable. You could either, I think you could probably use it to carry it, but it is to go around the car seat or child and help hold it up. Here's a strap, adjustable to keep everything together. Here's the pillow that is removable, and it would go, if you were to use it as a pillow, the seat belt would go through here and it would fold up like that. So put it in there like that. If you're gonna wear it, you would flip this under to be the padding on your lap, and you'd flip these out, and you flip this side out. Then this would go around the child. Here is the tray. It's magnetic. You can do all your magnet stuff. It's obviously hard. It's a baking tray. You can write on it, put your stuff on it. These are so that when things fold up, they fit nicely. Okay, over on this pocket we have Velcro closure for a snack thing. These things can come out into any configuration you want. You can lift these out like this one is, make these a longer thing or bigger, or it would close up to be like that. And that goes in there. And then, I'll put that away later. And here's a button closure, and you can put, and here I have some puzzles and toys and whatever you'd like. Over on this side, this is the place for a water bottle, and this is got a closure here so it can be adjustable whatever size water bottle you have. This is a 3-inch diameter long thing there, and this is stretchy fabric, so it should fit any water bottle, just about. Here's a container. You can use it as a Lego container, for pencils, for toys, for whatever you want. I've seen things where they put their little Legos and whatever. Then here's another container made, I think it'd be a good pencil container. It's made to hold pencil height. And I got you a little Piranha pencil sharpener. So there's that, and then this here is a zipper closed pocket. You can put your iPad in there for safety. And here I've got some books. It should fit books and things. And there you go. To close it up, you would put one side over, kind of push it over to the side. The other side, flip the pillow back out and over, snap it up, and there you go.